Hello everyone, I'm Maitreyi Gautam and here is your Intuitive Energy Messages from nature for this week. That is from June 24 through June 30, 2018. The Intuitive Energy Message for this week is being brought to us by the Holly Tree. The key energy theme for the Holly Tree is permanence, where our divine essential nature can help to bring us second chances, reunions, and ultimately happiness. Holly is an evergreen tree, and the berries and thorns of this tree represent suffering. But when we go beyond these and work through them with patience, then we find we obtain success. Similar in life, we need to patiently work through challenging aspects. Sometimes there are knots that need to be untangled before we can proceed ahead, and receiving this tree energy indicates that what is needed right now is the patience to carefully work through whatever is challenging you. Work with care, work with patience, and above all, work with divine guidance. This next week is going to feel particularly quite potent, with the full moon heralding the series of eclipses over the next month and a half. In case you're not aware, there are going to be 3 eclipses that are going to be coming in, starting with 2 of them in July and 1 in August. In case you're not aware about what are the benefits or what are the energy aspects involved with eclipses, I do have several videos made towards them. I will post the link below in the description box. So as I was saying, this next week is going to feel particularly quite potent with the full moon. Make it a point to stay calm, take a deep breath, and take extra precaution to not allow yourself to get riled up by anything. Full moon tends to make us more emotional than usual, and with Mars and the south node of the moon in close conjunction, this can lead to strong, violent bursts of anger. So, with so much going on in the energy world, and because of it in our individual and collective worlds and our societies as well, it becomes important, if not essential, that we hone up our own intuitive skills through daily practice, called sadhana in Sanskrit, of prayers and meditation. Holly indicates that it is our connection with the divine which ultimately helps us to see the answers and work out the solutions for life's tough questions. I hope you find this intuitive energy message from nature very helpful. Let me know your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Do give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, then please do so. And yes, remember to click on the notification icon so you receive a notification when I upload new videos. Also, if you feel that others you know, your friends or family, can benefit from this healing message, then do share this video with them as well as on your social media network. Do remember that though it may seem like healing is an individual thing, but we as a society need to rise up in our collective consciousness for all of us to truly feel the benefit and comfort. So help by spreading the good energy and these words as much as possible. And yes, as always, if there is something in particular that you would like me to cover, then do let me know in comment box below. Also, while at it, do check out our books on health and wellness. Until next time, I hope you take the very best care of yourself. Ciao, speak more soon.